Today we are collaborating with our friends over at SCULPEY, and we're going to show you step by step how to make your own garden markers. For this DIY, we're going to be using SCULPEY's new souffle colors in ivory and yellow ochre. Each garden marker is going to use one section of each color. First, get the clay nice and soft with your hands. Kind of squeeze it a little bit and you're going to notice that it gets nice and soft. Then press the clay going from the middle outward to make a disc. These are going to be rustic looking, so there's not going to be a real defined edge on them, but if you want to, you can also use cookie cutters. It just depends on the look you're going for. There's so many ways that you can make these. Now, using a fondant tool, I'm going to make a design all around the edge. And just so that you know, SCULPEY does have tools for their clay lines too, and you can find them on SCULPEY.com. Next, add in a design element. If you have stamps handy, you can use those, but rings also make great designs for your polymer clay creations too. And just press it right in, being careful not to press it in too far. And now you can freehand the name of your herb. And again, if you have a stamping set, you can use that too. That's looking great. And now for some contrast. You can use pastels or you can even use old makeup palettes for your crafts too. So I'm picking up a bit of color and I'm going around the edges to make it stand out and give them kind of like an aged look. Then the flower. And now I'm going to switch to a small brush to do the letters. And I just kind of start off with the lighter pigments and then add more because it's best to start off lighter and then go darker. It's not easy to remove pigment from clay once it's already laid down. And you can just make a whole set for your garden. These make great little gift ideas for someone who loves to be in their garden. One thing about working with light color clay is that it's going to attract every piece of lint or pigment. So do give your surface a wipe before using it and your hands. Now all you have to do is bake these according to the instructions. And here's what they look like, all baked and set. You can leave them as they are if you're going to be staying inside your home or greenhouse, but you can also give them some added protection with SCULPEY satin glaze if they're going to be outside. Give them 2 coats and allow for drying between coats. And here they are. They look great. We hope you try this out, and if you do, let us know in the comments how they turned out for you. And of course, you can just take this idea and run with it and just make your own designs however you like. Till next time, have a wonderful day.